What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feast. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And I'm sorry guys, I posted on Saturday, did 2 videos, so go check those out. But today, we're going to do something in my trusty air fryer here. We're going to do a whole rotisserie style chicken, but it's going to be in the air fryer. So, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let's do this whole air fryer rotisserie style chicken, guys. Alright guys, so as I always do, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. I got my whole young chicken here. Make sure you wash it. Sometimes I'll wash it with lemon, but today I did not, but make sure you wash it off good. And then I have a whole stick of butter here. I use my Slap My Mama seasoning. I love this seasoning, guys. Actually, this is the first time I've really used it, but I've had it on many different foods that people have cooked for me, have used it, and I love it. And then I have, but if you don't have this, by the way, you can use, adobo, you can use salt and pepper, seasoning salt, garlic powder, same thing. This has just got everything in one. And then I have my pink Himalayan sea salt. And then I have just some regular old black pepper. That's it. That's all the ingredients I'm using for this whole rotisserie style air fryer chicken. Guys, so to get started with this, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 1/4 of my stick of butter. And I'm just going to place it in my hand. And I'm going to lift the skin on the chicken. And I'm just going to mash it in there. Right on the breast. Alright guys, this is going to give that breast that tender, moist, tender breast. It's also going to make the skin nice and brown. But I'm going to put that in there just like that. Try to get the skin covered back up as much as you can. And then I'm going to take the rest of the butter, which is about 3/4 of a stick, and I'm just going to plop it right inside the chicken, just like that. Now the one thing I forgot to tell you guys, and I'm sorry, is I'm going to place about a half a small onion inside of the chicken. So let me go get that real quick. All right, so here we go. I got a half a raw onion here, and we're just going to simply just put it inside. You'll be amazed on what this does. All right, it's going to make it tender and flavorful. So let's add the seasoning here, guys. So I'm going to start with my pink Himalayan sea salt. We're going to sprinkle everything really good, including the wings and legs. And we're going to tip the bird up a little bit. And we're going to make sure we get inside really good. Alright. I'm going to flip it here and get the underbody here. Or get the back, I should say. There we go. Then I'm going to add my black pepper. Let's sprinkle them up real good. And you know me, I love my black pepper. Make sure we get the inside cavity really good. And we'll do the back of the chicken. Make sure you get the wings, guys. Arguably the best part of the chicken. Alright, so you can see my bird is really peppered up. I love the pepper. Alright, then we're going to add my Slap Your Mama. Now I know you can get this on Amazon. You can also get it in some local stores depending on where you are, mostly in the South. But you can also get it from my website, BigToneReviews.com. Go check it out. I think it's about $7, $7 bucks, something like that. It's definitely worth it. I love it. Alright. Make sure I get the whole bird. So this has got everything in it. This has got the seasoning salt. It's got the garlic powder. So you don't have to add anything. I love this seasoning though. Alright. So there's my bird. All seasoned up. Alright, we're going to take this to the air fryer and I'll show you how I put it on. I got my chicken in the air fryer. I'm doing it breast side down. I'm going to cook this for about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. But my first 30-35 minutes is going to be breast side down. And then the last 30-35 minutes is I'm going to flip it over for you guys. So there you see it. Fits right nicely in the air fryer. There we go. So it pops in, as you can see. So I'm going to take my air fryer, turn it on, and set to 360. I'm going to move the presets till I see the chicken button here. So it's moving across there, and that's supposed to be a chicken. Looks like a chicken leg to me. But anyway, we're going to set this for 35 minutes right now. Simple as that. So I'll be back by the magic of YouTube in a few seconds, but it's going to cook for about 35 minutes. Oh, I forgot one thing, guys. I'm sorry about that. I really did forget. We're going to take this and we're going to use any kind of oil, some type of vegetable oil. I'm going to turn it off here, guys. Forgive me. So I'm going to take my bird here and I'm going to spray it with just a little bit of oil here on the back. Alright, let me pop that back in. There we go. And we're going to fire it back up here. Again, we'll go hit the chicken and we're going to change it to 35 minutes. There we go. Guys, so it's been 30 minutes and I'm getting ready to flip it. I want you to take a look at this. Look at how brown this is. Oh, this looks really, really good. So I'm going to take it and flip the bird over. There we go. And let's cook it on this side for about 35 minutes. We'll take it out at that point. And I'm not going to forget to do it this time. So I'm going to spray it down with a little bit of vegetable oil here from a can. And we're going to pop it right back in. Alright guys, and we're going to turn it back on for another 35 minutes. Let's get it over to chicken again. And there we go, 35 minutes. It's been an hour and 10 minutes and the bird is done. It is absolutely done. I wanted to go ahead and check the temp on it. So the temp's running right at 150, or 160 now. It's going up a little bit. So it's done. I'm going to plate this up for you guys. So give me just a moment and I'll get that done for you. Guys, there you go. Plate it up for you. Look how brown that is. Super, super, super moist, guys. Hey, matter of fact, I'm going to cut into it. Hold on one moment. Let me flip it around here. Look at this. Oh my God, look at the juices. Look at that. Done all the way through. Oh my God, just flakes off. Hey guys, look at that. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to go to my website for Slap Your Mama Seasoning, BigToneReviews.com. Hey guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.